there and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to do a look in Pantone color of the year, which is Peach Fuzz. This lovely color right here. I did a look, maybe it's not like exactly that, but I was kind of inspired to use a tone like that. This is what I came up with. I tried to make it a bit more creative. I got inspired by a bunch of looks that I found on Pinterest. I don't know how this style of makeup is called, but I've seen a lot of looks like this. This is it. If you want to see how I did it, it's coming up. I have foundation, concealer, powder, and contour on my face. I also use the concealer on my lids to serve as an eyeshadow base. The lighting here is too good. I didn't blend this well enough. I don't have the patience for that. I'm gonna do a lot of lines, I guess, today. I think I'm gonna use this brush a lot. I have a brush cleaner in case I need to clean it to pick out other shades. I'm gonna do, I think the darkest shade first, which is gonna be from the Nubian 3 Coral. And I'm gonna pick up this dark brown just on the tip of the brush. And let me do some sort of a sketch in the inner corner. I am using just the tip of my brush to be as precise as I can. What can I explain to you today? Nothing. You're just gonna watch me do this. Actually, I think I'm gonna pick up a smaller brush. I have this sort of an eyeliner brush thing. This is from Real Techniques. It's the fine liner brush. Let's see if I can do things a little bit better with this. Let's do a little U-turn here. I am gonna take advantage of this shade and do some sort of a liner, placing it strategically here to extend my eye a bit. And then let's do some more curves. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, now I think my main shade, the Peach Fuzz shade, is gonna be from the NikkieTutorials in collaboration with BeautyBay palette. I think the shade Zomer comes the closest. So I'm gonna pick it up on a, what is this? Real Techniques shading brush. And I'm gonna start from here, the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna apply here inside these lines. Somehow I get fallout on my face and I hate it. And actually I'm gonna take it all over the lid as well. And some here inside this shape. And let me pick up the pencil brush again from Morphe with that brown shade and gently blend that brown into that peachy color. And I'm gonna need to define these edges a bit more, but I don't know with what. I don't have a brown eyeliner. I have a brown pencil. Maybe I will use that. So I have a brown eye pencil and I'm gonna try to pick it on this eyeliner brush thing, detail brush that I used earlier. I'm gonna attempt to define these edges a bit. Yeah, I don't think that's working. Let me try directly with the pencil. Not sure how precise that can be though. Not precise at all. Okay. I'll again try to blend it a bit into the eyeshadow that I applied previously. I am gonna fail miserably as it seems, but if I pick more of that dark brown Let's see if I can do the same thing here. This is not that bad, I think. And I'm gonna use that pencil to add some bit of definition to my eye. In the inner corner right here, as well as in the outer corner. I think I'm gonna accentuate this eyeliner too. And again fade it with the pencil brush. I want to add a couple of rhinestones to this. I have some rhinestones here and a lash glue. I want to place one in this naked spot here and one in this probably naked spot here. Let's see. I'm using a toothpick, by the way, to pick up the rhinestones. And first I am gonna pick up some of the lash glue on my toothpick. One here and one there. And with the same toothpick, having the lash glue on it is gonna help me pick up the rhinestones. They're gonna stick to my little toothpick. That's cute. I'll finish off with some mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes before applying the mascara. And I have a mascara in front of me, so I'm not gonna pick another one because, I don't know, I have the Catrice Pure Volume. And I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna apply it on the lower lashes too. What if I try to do a bit of cleaning up with some concealer and a detail brush? What could go wrong? Refine the edges a bit here. I'm gonna clean up a bit here as well. So those are the eyes. I'm gonna move on to my face and I'm gonna apply the same NikkieTutorials of Zomer shade as blush. So I'm gonna pick it up on a Real Techniques blush brush, I think? Yes, that is pigmented. This is a lovely blush shade, by the way. And using eyeshadow as blush is definitely something you can do. Now for lips, I'm gonna use a combo that I'm gonna use two new products for me. I'm gonna start with the NYX Line Loud lip pencil in the shade Ambition Statement. I'm gonna wipe off these Vaseline that I have on my lips. Vaseline is the best lip moisturizer that you can use. This might be a little too dark, but the lipstick that I'm gonna apply is very light. As lipstick, and I never actually tried this range, I'm gonna use the NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. And this is the shade Cheeks. It's a peachy light color. Hey, that's light. Let's see if I can manage to blend it into the pencil, as this is a big shade difference. Yeah, I don't know. I think they kind of blended into one another. Okay, so I think that is it. This is my peach fuzz look. I'm glad that I tried a more creative look. I think I'm gonna experiment with this style a bit more, because right now I feel like maybe I don't have enough practice with this kind of a makeup, but I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. I don't know, it's kind of cute. But let me know what you think. I'm gonna head out. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was inspiring, and I'll see you next time. Bye!